Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making for you a delicious oatmeal smoothie. Alright, so I have here one banana cut up and I have, okay, so before I go, remember to like my video, share it to your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about my other videos. Alright, so let's get right into this video. I have one banana, ripe banana cut up. I have some pineapple apple slices, that's regular apple slices. I have a cup of oatmeal. I have my milk. I have some peanut butter. I have cinnamon and I have vanilla. So for the peanut butter, you can choose not to use the peanut butter because some person may be allergic to peanut butter. Alright, and I have my bullet, so I'm gonna get started. So first I'm gonna add the fruits to the bullet. Sorry. And I'm gonna add the oatmeal. I doubt I need so much oatmeal, but yeah. I'm gonna add the peanut butter. Peanut butter I haven't started using yet. This is gonna give it a little taste and a little protein. I'm gonna use just two spoons of peanut butter. Okay. I'm gonna add some milk. So I'm gonna use a glass of milk. Of this glass. Okay. No ice because the time is cold, so I'm running away from the ice. So guys, I'm gonna just put some vanilla. I'm just gonna imagine that it's a teaspoon. I'm gonna add some this is cinnamon sugar. I'm gonna add that to it. I'm gonna cover and then I'm going to blend. First, let me clean up there. So I'm gonna blend now, guys. Okay, so there you have it, guys. My oatmeal smoothie. Yes, look at it. Just look at the texture. Look at it. Seems to be good. I'm gonna pour this out. I'm using the same glass that I used before. So I'm gonna taste this. So delicious. The peanut butter is loaded in it. taste filling. So guys, if you're a lover of peanut butter, you'll love this smoothie. Yes, and it's a good smoothie for breakfast because the oatmeal is very good. It's nutritious. The banana is good too, and I use the milk, so your children will also love it. So tasty. You know what is missing now, guys? Real Jamaican dragon stout. Yeah, that is missing. So that's it, guys. That's it for my oatmeal smoothie. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.